This video will show you how to use the Canvas Parent app and see the information that is available to you in it. Your first time logging in, you'll need to find the school. No matter which of the schools you attend, you'll go to Decatur County Community Schools, select that from the list, and then you'll need to log in with the username and password that you created. Once you're logged in, it'll probably start you up at this main page, which will show you all of the courses that your child has. The app shows you information per student. So this shows me all of the information for this one student. If I want to change to another student that I'm observing, I can tap the little drop-down arrow next to my student's name at the top, and it'll bring up a menu at the bottom. If I were observing more students, I would be able to scroll between the different students and choose the one that I want to see. I can see all of the courses on this page that my student is enrolled in, as well as the grade that they have in that course on the things that have been done in Canvas only. Remember, this doesn't include anything that has been done outside of Canvas. To see a true picture of your child's grade, you'll need to visit your Harmony 3 Family Access account. To see more information on a course, I just tap on that course and it will pull up all of the recent and upcoming assignments for that class. Down at the bottom, I can choose to see this course view, or I can tap on week and I can see recent and upcoming assignments for all the classes and not just the one class that I selected like earlier. I could also view alerts if I had any. At the top of the screen you have another little side menu. This is where I log out or change users, but this is also where I manage children. So if I go to manage children, I could choose one student at a time, and I can go in and set up any alerts that I might want to receive about the student's activity in Canvas. Overall, the Parent Canvas app just gives you an overview of your student's activity in Canvas. If you want to be able to see much more detailed information about your student's Canvas use, then try using Canvas through the browser. Thank you for watching and for being involved in your child's education.